Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we'll learn 50 important English vocabulary words for travel. These are the words you need when booking tickets, checking into hotels, eating at restaurants, and exploring new places. I'll explain how and when to use each word and give you 2 easy examples so you can start using them right away. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more English learning videos every week. Let's begin. An airport is the location where planes take off and land. Airports usually have check-in counters, security, departure gates, and baggage claim areas. You'll use airport when talking about flying, planning your trip, or giving directions. For example, if someone asks where your flight is, you can say I'm at the airport. Example 1. We arrived at the airport 2 hours early to avoid missing our flight. Example 2. The airport was very crowded due to the holiday season. A boarding pass is a ticket that allows you to enter the plane. It contains your seat number, flight number, and departure time. You can receive it digitally on your phone or as a printed paper after checking in. You must show it at the gate before boarding the plane. Example 1. Please show your boarding pass at the gate before boarding. Example 2. I downloaded my boarding pass on my phone to save paper. Baggage or luggage refers to the bags, suitcases, or backpacks you take on a trip. Airlines often distinguish between checked baggage, large bags stored in the plane, and carry-on baggage, small bags kept with you. You'll use these words when packing, shipping, or collecting your bags. Example 1. She packed 2 pieces of luggage for her 2-week trip. Example 2. His baggage was too heavy, so he had to pay extra at the counter. For check-in is the process of registering when you arrive at a hotel or airport. At the airport, you check in to confirm your ticket, drop off luggage, and receive a boarding pass. At hotels, check-in involves giving your information and receiving your room key. Example 1. We need to check in 2 hours before the flight to avoid delays. Example 2. Hotel check-in is after 3 p.m., so we waited in the lobby. Customs is the area at an airport or border where officials check your belongings. They make sure travelers don't bring prohibited items such as certain foods, large sums of money, or restricted goods. Passing customs is necessary when entering a new country. Example 1. We passed through customs quickly because we had no restricted items. Example 2. Customs officers asked to see our passports and checked our bags. A destination is the place you are traveling to. It can be a city, country, or specific site. You'll use destination when talking about your trip plans or giving travel advice. Example 1. Paris is our final destination for the summer holiday. Example 2. The flight reached its destination safely after 8 hours. Departure refers to the time or place when you leave for a trip. Airports often have departure boards to show flights leaving soon. You use this word when talking about flights, trains, or buses leaving a location. Example 1. Our departure is scheduled for 10 a.m., so we must leave early. Example 2. The departure gate is number 12 near the main terminal. Arrival is the moment when you reach your destination. It is often used in airports, train stations, or hotels to indicate the end of your journey. Example 1. We are waiting in the arrivals hall for our friend to land. Example 2. Her arrival was delayed by 2 hours due to bad weather. A passport is an official document required for international travel. It proves your identity and nationality and is necessary when entering or leaving a country. Always keep it safe and accessible during trips. Example 1. Don't forget to bring your passport to the airport. Example 2. She showed her passport at the border control for verification. A visa is permission issued by a country allowing you to enter and stay for a certain period. Visas are usually required for international trips, and different types exist for tourism, work, or study. Example 1. He applied for a tourist visa to visit Japan. Example 2. You need a visa to study in the United Kingdom. A flight is a journey by airplane from one location to another. You'll use this word when booking tickets, asking about schedules, or talking about travel experiences. Common phrases include catch a flight, miss a flight, or take a flight. Example 1. Our flight to New York was delayed due to bad weather. Example 2. She booked a direct flight to save time. A ticket is proof of payment for travel, such as a plane, train, or bus. Tickets often include the seat number, departure time, and destination. You'll use this word when buying, showing, or asking for confirmation. Example 1. I bought a round-trip ticket to Paris. Example 2. She lost her train ticket and had to get a new one. A gate is the area in an airport where passengers board their flight. It is often numbered, and announcements guide passengers to the correct gate. Example 1. Our gate number is 25, so let's head there now. Example 2. They started boarding passengers at the gate 15 minutes early. A delay happens when a flight, train, or bus leaves later than scheduled. You'll often use this word when talking about travel disruptions. Example 1. The flight had a 2-hour delay because of the storm. Example 2. Traffic caused a delay on the way to the airport. To cancel means to stop or call off a planned trip, reservation, or flight. Travelers use this word when plans change or emergencies occur. Example 1. The airline cancelled the flight due to technical issues. Example 2. We cancelled our hotel reservation because our trip was postponed. A reservation is when you book a hotel, flight, or restaurant in advance. It ensures you have a guaranteed spot when you arrive. Example 1. I made a reservation for 2 at the restaurant. Example 2. Our hotel reservation is under my name. A hotel is a place where travelers can stay temporarily, usually paying per night. Hotels may have facilities like restaurants, pools, and gyms. Example 1. We stayed at a 5-star hotel during our vacation. Example 2. The hotel has free Wi-Fi for all guests. A hostel is a budget-friendly place to stay, often with shared rooms. It is popular with backpackers and young travelers. Example 1. We stayed in a youth hostel during our Europe trip. Example 2. Hostels are cheaper than hotels but may be less private. A guest is a person staying at a hotel or visiting someone. You'll use this word when talking about accommodations or social visits. Example 1. The hotel has many international guests during the summer. Example 2. She was a guest at his home for the weekend. Reception is the front desk in a hotel where guests check in, ask questions, and get assistance. Example 1. Please ask at the reception for a city map. Example 2. The hotel reception is open 24 hours. Room service is food or drinks delivered to your hotel room. You'll use this word when ordering meals without leaving your room. Example 1. We ordered breakfast from room service to enjoy it in bed. Example 2. Room service is available all night at this hotel. Baggage claim is the area in an airport where you collect your checked luggage after a flight. Example 1. We waited at baggage claim for 20 minutes for our suitcases. Example 2. He couldn't find his luggage at the claim area. A tourist is a person traveling for leisure, sightseeing, or exploring new places. Example 1. The city is full of tourists during summer. Example 2. Tourists often visit famous landmarks and museums. A tourist attraction is a place of interest for visitors, such as monuments, beaches, or museums. Example 1. The Eiffel Tower is a famous tourist attraction in Paris. Example 2. The city built new attractions to attract tourists. A guide is a person who shows tourists around and explains historical or cultural information. Guides are used in cities, museums, or nature tour. Example 1. The guide explained the history of the castle in detail. Example 2. We hired a tour guide for our sightseeing trip. A map is a visual representation of a place that helps travelers find directions. You'll use a map when exploring cities or nature areas. Example 1. She used a map to locate the museum. Example 2. The hotel gave us a city map to plan our visit. An itinerary is a planned schedule of your trip, including flights, hotels, and activities. It helps travelers stay organized. Example 1. Our itinerary includes Rome, Venice, and Florence. Example 2. The travel agent prepared a detailed itinerary for us. A souvenir is an item bought or kept to remember a trip. Travelers often buy them as gifts for family or friends. Example 1. I bought a souvenir from Paris to remember the trip. Example 2. Souvenir shops are near tourist attractions and beaches. A backpack is a bag worn on your back, often used by travelers and backpackers to carry clothes, water, and essentials. A backpack is a bag worn on your back, often used by travelers and backpackers to carry clothes, water, and essentials. Example 2. Backpackers travel light to explore multiple cities easily. Currency is the type of money used in a country. Travelers need to know local currency for shopping, transportation, and tips. Example 1. The local currency in Japan is the yen. Example 2. We exchanged dollars for local currency at the airport. The exchange rate is the value of one country's currency compared to another. Travelers need to know this when exchanging money to pay for goods or services in another country. Understanding the exchange rate helps you avoid overpaying or losing money. Example 1. I checked the exchange rate before converting my dollars to euros. Example 2. The exchange rate is high today, so it's a good time to change money. Travel insurance is a policy that protects you financially if something goes wrong during a trip, such as lost luggage, cancelled flights, or medical emergencies. It's highly recommended for international travel. Example 1. We bought travel insurance before our trip to Europe. Example 2. Travel insurance covers lost baggage and flight cancellations. A tourist visa is official permission allowing a person to enter a country for leisure travel for a limited time. It's essential for international trips and is usually issued before arrival. Example 1. I need a tourist visa to visit Japan this summer. Example 2. The tourist visa allows a stay of 30 days in the country. A journey is the process of traveling from one place to another, often emphasizing the experience rather than the destination. It can include flights, trains, buses, or car trips. Example 1. The journey to the mountains took 5 hours by train. Example 2. She enjoyed the journey along the coastal road. A trip is a short or planned travel experience, often for leisure or business. It focuses more on the purpose than the travel itself. Example 1. We went on a trip to the beach last weekend. Example 2. His business trip to London lasted 3 days. A vacation US or holiday UK is a period of time off work or school for relaxation or travel. People often plan trips during vacations or holidays to recharge. Example 1. We are planning a vacation to Spain next summer. Example 2. They enjoyed a holiday in Greece, visiting historic sites. An adventure is an exciting or unusual experience during travel, often involving some risk or challenge. Adventure travel is popular among travelers who enjoy exploration and physical activity. Example 1. Backpacking in Asia was an adventure she would never forget. Example 2. They signed up for an adventure tour in the mountains. A cruise is a leisure trip on a large ship, usually stopping at multiple ports. Cruises are popular for vacations and often include activities, meals, and entertainment on board. Example 1. They went on a Mediterranean cruise for 2 weeks. Example 2. The cruise ship stopped at several islands along the route. A ferry is a boat that carries people, vehicles, or goods across a body of water, often for short distances. Ferries are common in coastal cities or islands. Example 1. We took a ferry to reach the nearby island. Example 2. The ferry ride lasted 1 hour across the river. A platform is the area in a train or metro station where passengers board or leave the train. Knowing the platform number is important to avoid missing your train. Example 1. The train leaves from platform 3, so let's go there early. Example 2. We waited on the platform for the express train. A ticket office or box office is the place where travelers buy tickets for trains, buses, flights, or events. You'll use this term when asking where to purchase tickets or confirming schedules. Example 1. We bought our train tickets at the ticket office this morning. Example 2. The box office opens at 9 a.m., so we went early to get seats. A guidebook is a book that provides travel information, including maps, local attractions, restaurants, and tips. Travelers use guidebooks to plan their trips and explore unfamiliar places. Example 1. The guidebook listed all the top attractions in Paris. Example 2. He used a guidebook to plan a 3-day itinerary in Rome. A landmark is a famous or important building, statue, or natural feature that is often visited by tourists. Landmarks are useful reference points when giving directions or describing a place. Example 1. The Statue of Liberty is a famous landmark in New York. Example 2. They visited several historical landmarks during their city tour. A museum is a building where historical, cultural, artistic, or scientific objects are displayed for education and enjoyment. Travelers use this word when planning visits to learn about local culture. Example 1. We visited the art museum to see modern paintings. Example 2. The museum was very interesting and full of interactive exhibits. A beach is the sandy or rocky shore next to a sea, ocean, or lake. It's a common destination for relaxation, swimming, and sunbathing. Example 1. The children played on the beach all afternoon. Example 2. The hotel is located near a beautiful sandy beach. A resort is a vacation destination offering accommodation, leisure activities, and entertainment. Resorts are often used by travelers seeking a full-service vacation experience. Example 1. They stayed at a luxury resort with a private beach. Example 2. The resort offers many water sports and guided tour. Hiking is walking or trekking in nature, mountains, or forests for exercise or leisure. It's a popular activity for adventure travelers and those exploring natural landscapes. Example 1. We went hiking in the forest to enjoy the fresh air. Example 2. Hiking is popular in national parks during the summer season. Camping means staying outdoors in a tent, cabin, or camper for leisure. It's an activity that allows travelers to connect with nature and save on accommodation. Example 1. They went camping by the lake for the weekend. Example 2. Camping is cheaper than staying in hotels and offers a unique experience. An adventure tour is a trip that includes exciting or physically challenging activities, such as rafting, climbing, or safaris. Travelers use this term when seeking experiences beyond traditional sightseeing. Example 1. We booked an adventure tour in Africa that included a safari. Example 2. Adventure tour attract young travelers looking for thrills and new experiences. A travel agent is a professional who helps plan, book, and organize trips, including flights, hotels, and activities. Travelers often consult travel agents for convenience, advice, or complex itineraries. Example 1. The travel agent arranged our flights, hotel, and tour packages. Example 2. We asked the travel agent for recommendations on local attractions.